Hey, welcome to the show. If you're looking for a portable travel scooter, then this might be the perfect one for you. When this was delivered, it came in a well-packaged box and required very little setup. The seat cushion sits in place by Velcro, then you go ahead and lift up the seat. The handlebar just needs one bolt attached, and that's it. I love the fact I didn't have to spend much time for the setup. When you first get this, it is recommended to fully charge the battery. It takes between 4 to 5 hours. I got this scooter for my mom because it's getting harder for her to walk around, so she's able to use this scooter in the house and also when she goes into town. The scooter weighs 46 pounds and has a sturdy carbon frame. The 24-volt battery, like I said, takes 4 to 5 hours to charge. You do not have to take it out, just insert the included plug-in. You can go up to 12.5 miles on a charge, and it also has a power meter on the handlebar. Take a look at the wheels. They have great traction for indoors as well as outdoors on different terrain, like flat roads, streets, stores, grassy lawns, parks, you name it. This is perfect for any type of terrain. Very easy to steer and control the speeds with one finger drive. You can set the automatic speed to whatever level you would like. The frame can extend out to 9 inches for added legroom. What impressed me is the build quality, and I don't have to worry about this tipping over. I love the fact that I can easily fold this up and it takes very little room in my car or my house. So more and more it's getting difficult for my mom to walk around the house, but this scooter allows her the ability to go into any room, and do whatever she needs to do. For example, she can go into the kitchen, get something to eat, then drive over to the table. She can eat her supper there, and then afterwards she can put her dishes away using the scooter and then go over maybe to the TV room, do some reading there. It's so small in size that you're able to go into small openings, maybe in between chairs. She can even drive this into the bathroom, like I said. And the comfort of this, it has a nice, very comfortable seat cushion. And just the fact of her being mobile again, that she's able to do many of the activities that she wasn't able to do when she was walking around, gives us a sense of peace. And when she's not using it, the kids love to get on it and go on an adventure. Hey, thanks a lot for watching this show. Check out this company. I think you're going to be really happy with this scooter. We sure are. And like always, have a fun day out there. Adios. Goodbye.